Did you know that JobSeek AI is the best place to find a job and earn at the same time? I know, it's real, because JobSeek AI reduces the stress of finding the right job that fits your qualification. It customizes what you do best and match you up with the best job to find it as well. This is a little bit of information on their website, JobSeek AI, and this is how they match you up. You can load your resume, they customize it, and then search for the right job that's for you. Okay, so a couple of things about this. It is a token, which means you can earn and invest at the same time with JobSeek AI on Ethereum, all right? Okay, so you can download this on App Store or Google Play Store, so it's a real thing. It's a real thing, so it does have an application process and a subscription process as well, so you can subscribe to get to finding the right job and earn at the same time. I did not know this at first. 3 out of 5 people, which is 58%, is looking for a new job. 58% looking for a new job, so you're definitely gonna need things to help you find that. And that's what JobSeek AI does as well. Now, I did mention you can earn while you're searching for your right job here. This is the tokenomics, and one thing I like about it is earn passive income, 10% staking rewards, income while job searching and getting hired. So that means when you're searching for a job using JobSeek AI, you have the opportunity to earn. Sounds really good, right? Right good. Finding the right job and earning at the same time, which I really like that. Okay, so people have been asking, why should you do JobSeek AI? It tailored the resume and the qualifications to find the right one as well. It's using the right resources behind the scenes to be able to do that as well. And in a crypto technology, they are partnered with 𝙁𝙘𝙘𝘚 AI to help things go even more smoother. All right. So 𝙁𝙘𝙘𝘚 AI gonna do a collaboration with them as well. And did you know 10 million plus jobs is in the JobSeek AI circuit? 10 million plus jobs is in the circuit here. 22 plus language supported. So that means you don't necessarily have to use English or Spanish. You can do French, German. 22 plus language supported. So that means it fits you. It fits you. So you can earn and search at the highest level at the same time. Hallelujah. This is really, really good here. So sitting at $125,000 market cap makes this a steal. I'm just telling you. And then they working behind the scenes. I had an opportunity to talk with a member, and these guys are geniuses behind the scenes. Think about it. I can earn and search for a job and get paid for it. What? Anyway, so it reduces the stress. If you're looking for a job, I highly recommend you download the application of JobSeek AI. I did mention this is on the Google Play Store and the App Store. So just go ahead and sign up and start looking for a job today, okay? My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain here because I'm excited because you need to find the job of your dreams. And why not use JobSeek AI to reach the potential? My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's find a job and earn today.